Hey guys, turbo toilet here. My dad is in the hospital and in rehab, and unfortunately, as part of him coming home, we had to replace both of his toilets with comfort height toilets with the increased height, and take out his two toilets. 1989 Kohler Wellworth and 1963 American Standard Cadet. So the Cadet, I'm actually thinking about bringing to my house and installing it in my bathroom and replacing my Crane Atlas. Never been a big fan of the Atlas, but if any of you are interested in these, especially any of you guys in New Jersey, these are in Deptford, New Jersey, free to a good home. Let me know. The American Standard tank is a 4050. It does not have the tilt valve. I think my dad replaced it with a regular standard 1.6 liter fill valve. And if I were to use it in my house, I would replace it with a, I would put in a new tilt valve. So. So, as I said before, we replaced this is where the Cadet was. Replaced them with Cadet Pros. Not a big fan of these 1.8 GPF toilets, but I gotta say these have a nice flush. And of course, in here we had, this is where the Wellworth was, the Wellworth Waterguard. And we were limited in space. Again, my father is not going to have the best mobility when he gets home, so weren't sure we would have room for an elongated toilet in here, so we kept it to a regular round bowl. But again, guys, if you're interested in any of those toilets, let me know. Message me on my channel. Again, free to a good home. You would have to come pick up. I don't ship. And we're going to hold on to them for about a week. If I decide I'm not going to put the Cadet in my house, I'll probably call the local Habitat for Humanity, or see if the Habitat for Humanity Restore in Pennsauken wants them. But again, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys.